Hey guys, so in this video I'm just going to give you a tour of the dashboard and just show you where everything is and what the buttons do and stuff like that. In some more videos we'll look at actually using the software. So this is just a dashboard tour really and show you what's where. So we'll start at the top and we'll work our way around. It should be quite straightforward. First of all, these three lines here, you can minimize the menu if you want to minimize the main menu there. Not very exciting, but you can do that. Next we got this new design button here. So this will take us to the designer, which we'll look at in a separate video, but you can click this. You can also click here, create new design, and within the menu you can also click new design. Okay, each of those buttons takes you to the same place, and you can always go back to your dashboard by clicking dashboard up here. This question mark here, although there's nothing here yet, this is where the training videos are that you're probably watching this video. This is question mark will always stay here no matter what page you're on, so if you need to get back to the training videos you can, and you can contact us down here as well. This button may change to a green button that says contact us, but there'll be a way to contact us on this page. This here should, if you sign up using Google, it will show your profile picture there, your Google one, and this is your profile here. You can make some edits to your profile if you want to by clicking these little pencils. You've got the billing section here. This is where you can cancel. So one click or two clicks, look, and then you can cancel if you want to cancel at any time. And you can also update your own payment info by clicking update payment info. That'll take you across to my Thrive cart where you can update your credit card details. Then we've got account settings where you can change your password, you can log out, or you can click one of our social media icons over here. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard. So we just got a little bit of data here that tells you how many designs you've made and how many products you've launched. These, like I say, here watch tutorials is the same as clicking the question mark. View Etsy portfolio will show you your Etsy store. Publish new product is if we want to create a new product, what we'll look at in a separate video. And then here it will show you latest designs and latest products. I haven't made any products yet. I've made one design. We can download our design from here as well. We'll look at this more in depth when we use the designer, but this is one place where we can download our designs, PNG or JPEG. At the moment we got small and big, but there's going to be more added to this as we move forward. Over this side we can expand the menu here where it says designs, so we can hit new design. Okay, and this is where we create our designs, or we can hit my designs, and this is where our designs are stored. Okay, so as you create designs you'll see more and more. You can change the view so you can have it so these will stack up like this, or you can have it like this so you can see them. Personally I prefer to have it like this because it makes it nicer to see. Here we've got create product button. Again, this is the same as new product here. This is an edit button which we'll look at in a further video. And then down here we've got settings. This is where you can disconnect your Etsy store if you want to. Plugins are for future things that are coming for the software. Then we've got notifications. You can turn on email notifications if you want to be notified when you know, these things happen. I'm just going to get rid of that. And then we can also use Google Translate to translate into any language, because in the future we plan to have this running in multiple countries. So at the moment, you know, if you want to change it you can, that's totally fine. It's there if you want to. So I'm going to head back to the dashboard, and in the next video we'll take a look at actually using the designer. Okay, thanks guys, bye for now.